This is bullshit. Oh, oops. I think someone saw us. Oh look, there's a puppy over there. Oh, backflip, stunning on him. Hey buddy. Hey bud. Hey, shut the fuck up. Let me pet you, dumb asshole. Oh, you're a stray dog. Can we I want to train you. I want to make you Batman. What the fuck? Oh no! You killed him! Why would you kill him?
The bus was in my way.
That's bullshit. Fucking
What
bullshit.
you did?
What do you mean look what I did?
Oh man, look at...
Bitch. 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 Oh shit. Bitch. 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 Bitch.
Quiet, just point that way.
Bitch.
Oh.
What? We are the bitch truckers. Oh wait. Oh. She died. She died with her legs open. Backflip for days. Backflip for days. If you coming at me, get the fuck out of the way. Backflip for days. Backflip for days. I don't give a fuck if you look at me. Hey, backflip for days. I'm a backflip in your face. Beep, bop, boop, beep, bop. Beep, bop, shit. Beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, boop. Let's put this baby to the test. Ready? Come on, do so. Gotta go. Gotta put it to the test. Oh wait, hold on. See, you could like activate it, right? Activate the quad chopper thing. What the hell just happened?
No, it doesn't go that fast.
Beep 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 beep. Oh, this bitch looks nice too.
Wait, slow down, slow down.
This is so slow. Who the hell are you?
Slow down,
Oh, you're
slow
right
down, slow down. Alright, let's go.
This is so slow. Can you like wait? Can you upgrade it and stuff?
I don't know.
Alright,
bro. So I'll give you the load out here.
we got this.
Let's get to.
I might lose signal. I think we have to get a little closer.
I get the puppy.
You would find out.
You bite me? Okay. Tackle him. Oh, okay,
No fucking
money box top of a crate.
Alright, I'm gonna give you the expectation. They shot you. Oh, I'm in here. I'm in here.
You
Hold
gotta go in old style. Come on.
Wait, I'm scouting everything out. Alright, you know, let's do this. We're not doing anything. Alright, let's go. Should we just go in full force or should we go in sneaky?
Nope. Full force.
Alright.
I'm gonna like take this guy out myself.
Skills are on flick. My skills are on flick.
Watch out.
Have a day. Have a day. Have a day. Oh shit.
Ah! Puppy!
Yeah, just do it. Just do it. There's really
I
nothing
had
you
to
can do.
knock him out.
You had to. I mean, as long as you knock him out, don't fucking kill the bitch.
Oh wow, there's a lot of other guys. You sleep.
Yeah. Ooh, wait. No. Oh, I thought I was locked in here.
Ow!
What? Oh god. Alright.
There's so many dogs.
This is nice. We're doing good. We're doing great. We're doing great. Great, mate.
There's a money crate somewhere. Up top here.
It's up top of there.
I hear a grenade.
Go get over there. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Go over
Oh!
there. Alright, I got the money crate.
How'd you get up there?
Oh shit, I don't have the sniper anymore. Oh, I came from down here. Fuck shooting at me, bruh.
I'll take that 19,000.
That was 19,000 down. I didn't even see it. Alright. Now we got that shit done. Oh shit, grenade.
Locate the prisoner.
Press R3 and you'll be able to locate him. Most likely. Oh, there he is. Oh, there's a little red line that we gotta follow. Fuck out. Right here. No, I got it. You can just open the door. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, let's take a picture this time. Family photo.
He looks like over.
Is he dead? Oh. Alright. Let's take a family photo.
Take a oh, it's optional. You don't.
Hey, yo, Chapo! Oh shit.
Oh yeah, you guys are out there.
Damn, we just fucked him up.
I just hiked that police car.
Bye, Bude. Oh shit. So, oh, make him go forward.
I did. You did.
Alright. We don't know. Oh.
Oh.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Nothing to see here. People are going more suspicious of me. Oh, they're running. Do so. Run. Do so. Run. Whatever you do, just run. Just book it. I got your back.
Ow. Oh, they found the helicopter.
They summoned the helicopter. Oh my god. They summoned the boat. Well, that cop didn't give any fucks about that guy. Why can't I like run as fast as you? I feel like my guy's fat. What the fuck? Woo! Run, buddy! Oh shit!
Police car. I'm hacking every car there is.
Shut down by
Close
CTOS.
them down.
We're gonna be shut down by CTOS.
Helicopter?
No, I don't think we can. But come on! Let's go! We don't have a lot of time. Do so!
Go.
Let's go! Da. Is the music even playing? Oh.
I put the driver of that police car to the left.
Nice.
Hey sir, you can kind of, get out our way now.
Oh shit. What the fuck happened? Why do you keep on falling out like that?
Keep crashing like small things.
What?
Go.
Alright. You're gonna have to like get out right here.
Damage Israel?
What? I didn't do anything. Oh, wait.
The other side, we're escaping the other side.
No, you won't. They're gonna suspect us. They're expecting us to go that way. Close it. They're expecting us. Hold on, we gotta go.
Oh god, there it is! There's a puppy!
Ah!
There's a puppy chasing you!
Bitch, I'm sorry. Oh, shit.
Come on. There's a puppy chasing you!
No, there's no puppy chasing me.
I knocked him out.
Oh, I'm gonna stun him. Let's go. Uh-oh. Sniper. Block the bullet.
Behind you.
Dodge and bullet. Dodge and weave. Dodge and weave. I got him on. Can you can't get on these, can you? Alright, get inside another car. We'll meet up. Oh. No! Damn it. I took out the helicopter guy though. We are the biking squad. Oh shit. Well,
oh, whoa, it's a sign. Tech City.
What?
I found the Hollywood.
Really?
San Francisco.
Oh, it's dope. Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, I totally give up on you, right? The fuck?
That's not the really bad guy.
Why did you? Oh,
I was driving and then some car hit me, like a cop, and then they like made my bike go into the gas station, and yeah.
So basically,
So
shit went down.
that's the aftermath of what happened.
Nice. Oh, that's the aftermath.
Yeah, I crashed into that one on the right with a bike dude.
Yeah, this all these guys are cool. This all these guys are. Yo. I ain't nothing bad. What the fuck? What the hell, dude? Oh my god. And my dog's being a bitch, and he's fucking barking all over the place. And now you're being a bitch, and I just fucking did some shit. Oh, that burnt, you know. God damn. Wait. Wait.
Area.
People are fighting?
Oh, it's the Noodle building. It's like the YouTube building.
Noodle. Oh, it's funny because it actually does kind of look like the YouTube building. Holy shit. Oh shit. Damn, I should have taken a moped. We could have had a race.
Oh, you can go
Can you really? Hey! Whoa, what's in here?
There's a slide!
What? Oh, yes! Yes!
Where was this building at? Let's get a Noodle Street.
Oh, look, there's rock climbing. After you're done rock climbing, you come up here and there's a slide and you go down the slid. You can use the slide! Woo! Yeah! That's
Wait,
fun.
you can actually rock climb?
I don't know if you can rock climb, but you can parkour your way.
Parkour.
You can actually use a slide.
Yay!
That's so fun. Why is this is
so funny.
Yeah, so funny. Hey, sup, dude? Yeah, now we can have the place to ourselves. Hey, stop. Oh, there's another slide. New slide.
It's like the literal YouTube building, like all in one. Whoa, another slide.
What the hell?
There's so many slides.
I'ma slide my way into this fucking place.
Like? Wee! Oh, this one's longer.
Weeb.
Oh, you like Echo?
Oh, do you really? It's dope.
Yeah.
I don't have my headset on, so I can't really hear.
Wow, not Echo.
A noodle slide. A noodle slide, see? Haha.
Oh, the glass bridge.
I feel like I'm in China. Wait, what the fuck? What the hell? Oh, no, she's back. Okay, she's a fucking demon. Oh, wait, no, there's an extra place up there. Hold on.
You know what I'm gonna do, actually?
What?
I'm gonna go outside and, like, unleash my,
oh, yeah, do that. What if I put my drone up the slide? Hey, I did it!
I need that.
There's a door right here,
I need
but you need,
that.
like, a key code.
I need that.
No, Elijah. No.
I wanna go on
You need a key code? Alright, if you need a key code, then we need to start looking. Well, you said we need a key code. You said we need a key code, right? I might be able to find out where we need it from. This is gonna be such a big mission just to go down one slide.
Why can't I stop? Oh my God,
Why?
help, my guy's glitch.
Help! Oh wait,
Yeah,
there's something in here. There's something in here. There's something in here.
I'm stuck.
What are you talking about?
It's stuck.
Okay. Meatloaf's in the fridge. Okay. Are you really stuck?
American salads.
Hold on. I can do it. See, I can get out.
Yeah, but I can't.
Oh, you're not moving at all.
But, like,
You're not moving at all. You're not moving at all.
Ready? Ready?
You're stuck. That's funny.
Get in the car and crush me.
Alright, I got you. Hold on. Where's that patio? Whatever the fuck it was called. Fagio.
Patio. Look at this dude.
Shut up. Robot, help me. Alright, move out the way, bitches. I need to save my friend. This is all part of the plan of trying to get inside of a big ass slide. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nothing happened.
You have to actually like ram into me like that way.
Nothing's happening!
You missed.
Hold on. Oh shit. Three, 2, 1. I killed so many people while doing that. Go!
You missed.
Fuck. You know what? You can just go fuck yourself.
Help!
Help! What if I do that? Nothing. Nothing.
Help.
You're gonna have to probably restart the game. I'll find a way up that slide. I'll find a way up that slide.
Try to ram into me.
I literally can't do anything. Wait, hold on. Can I wheelie on this? If I can wheelie, then I probably... Yes, I can. Got you!
Maybe?
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
I'll go down the slide to victory!
Why'd you like get stuck like halfway to the slide?
That's these bros like 600 pounds. Wee! See, my guy said, yeah!
Woohoo! Alright, we gotta find a way up there. Come on.
Robot. Ah!
Oh, what the fuck just happened? What the hell? What'd you do?
I punched it and it blew up.
You punched it?
Good. I want to explore more.
I want to get up that fucking place, but I can't.
Down the Sagio. I want to explore more about this world.
I want to find my way up that slide. We're in.
Hold up,
Nice.
gun.
What the fuck? Alright, buddy. We have to be armed and equipped.
Wow.
Oh, wow. This is actually open
Don't
to
point a gun and...
I didn't point a gun. I didn't point anything.
You pointed at the second you walked in.
I didn't do shit. Ooh. Hold on. What is this? Oh. There's a secret little fucking whatever this shit's called. Oh, it leads all the way to the bottom of one
this
cell.
Is like the oh, I know what this is.
What is this?
This is the little Mom of the Dead thingy. Like there was a secret tunnel you can go through in Mom of the Dead.
Oh, and this is it?
Hey, there's a person sleeping. Oh, it's a mannequin.
Mannequin challenge. Alright, wait. Hold on. You could go up these. Hold on. There's like so much for me to explore. Oh, I found something. Hack to gain key data. Oh, Alcatraz key data. I got key data. Want some key data? Right here. Come back. Right here. Go pull out your little drone thing. Come over here. Alright, now you're gonna jump up here.
Where are you?
Right here. Jump up there. Alright, now go take a left. Yeah, press down. And then you hold screw. Yeah, there you go. Key data. And you can jump across over here. Bam. Then you just keep on going. Where the hell am I going? I made it up to the roof.
Dang.
What's
that up there?
What's that? Oh, it's a camera. Oh, okay. Oh, what was this? There's something here. Come back. There's an enemy here. 2 enemies.
This guy said I see boobs.
3 enemies. Wait, what?
I see boobs. Nice.
Uh-oh, I entered a restricted area. Uh-oh. Do so. I'm about to die.
Punch him all to death.
Twin Peak mask. Added to wardrobe. That's dope. You got a mask up there. Alright, are you just kill them all?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to working out.
That's true, that's true, that's true. This is fun. wait, we gotta go second. Ready, look forward, ready. We gotta be a second.
Wombo, I wombo.
We are Wombo! Yay! Yay!
I so regret this.
I think we have to restart.
I can see a fucking boat over there.
What? You're glitching, bro. You're glitching, bro. Where the hell are you going?
Cops, find us! I don't want to be down here anymore. What are we waiting for?
Oh my god, this is oh my god.
I don't fucking leave.
Oh my god, yes.
Well,
we gotta restart. Oh my god, dude.
that's great. A different
no.
kind of
Oh my god, that was so funny.